Hello everyone, this is Annan, and today we're going to take a look at my new Springer primary, Magni, my modified Dartso Max Stryker. If this looks familiar to you, my guess is that you've seen my Cold War video where I've used this blaster in battle. However, that was back before I got it fully completed. But now it is done, and it is what I want it to be and more. And so there's a lot of stuff going on with this blaster, so let's first start with the paint job. The paint job started with a black primer, then a duplicolor electron blue pearl for the blue base, then finally white, gray, and black details and accents all finished up with a gloss clear coat. The only minor bodywork I've done was filling the Max and Stryker words on the blaster with epoxy putty, which has been sanded flat to accommodate the new name in its place. I have also added a 3D printed buffer tube sling mount piece, which gives me the option to use a sling with this blaster, and I found that piece very practical for a Nerf war situation. The stock is from a Nexus Pro, which I like better than the original stock because it allows me to sight in shots better along the railing for improved accuracy. So that is all for the externals. Now let's open her up and see what internal mods have been made. With the blaster open, let's start off with the front. On the front is a worker scar barrel that has been friction fit using E-tape to an 8-inch segment of 17/32 brass barrel, which has been epoxied to the stock dart gate. Moving back, I have replaced the stock pusher breech with a 3D printed skinny breech, which allows mags to be inserted when the pump grip is in the forward position, which I found practical in a Nerf war situation. I'm still using the stock plunger tube and plunger rod setup, but it has been fully sealed, as shown here. However, the trigger has been modified by hot gluing a piece of one of the locks to the back of the hair trigger to engage the catch sooner. Credit for that mod goes to Andrew G, and his channel will be linked down below. Lastly, I'm using the stock spring. However, I am using a 1/2 inch long 17/32 brass spacer to change the power of the blaster. The Chrono rings will elaborate on this. So that is all the modifications done to this blaster. Next, let's button it up and put it under the chronograph to see the numbers it's hitting. Firing max darts. I got a high of 180, low of 163, and an average of 174 feet per second. To show that this blaster is a capable primary of choice, I'll end the video with some gameplay footage that I got from the last SC&C war that I went to.
Gotta make sure that coffee and like bacon just slashes around.
Oh gosh. Let's go.
Holy shoot.
Alright. Anybody want to swing hard right here?
Get 1, 2, 14, 15, clear. Wow! One, 2, 14, 15, clear.
Hit!
So there you have it. That is the complete overview of Magni and its true performance shown off. I'll put links in the description box below to the parts I used to make this if you want to mod one yourself. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and happy modding.